Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share a home remedy with bedbugs, baby powder. If you've ever explored do-it-yourself approaches for dealing with bedbugs, chances are you've come across numerous talks about baby powder. It's often discussed online as an affordable home remedy to get rid of bedbugs. If baby powder proves to be effective, it would be a perfect home remedy for bedbugs. Not only is it cheap, but also easily accessible. It also provides a safer option compared to chemical insecticides. But does it truly deliver on its promise? Let's check this out. In this video, we'll show you how baby powder truly works to finally get rid of bedbugs. Then, we'll learn how to use baby powder step by step to end bedbug infestations. So, no more wasting time. Let's go right into the video and say goodbye to bedbugs. Let's get started. Bedbugs can be a real nightmare, disturbing your sleep and causing stress. They hide in various places and come out at night to bite, leading to physical discomfort and potential mental health issues. So skip the pricey chemical insecticides and consider trying DIY methods like baby powder or essential oils. Let's explore these budget-friendly solutions together. So what is baby powder? Baby powder is a soft white powder typically made from either talcum powder or cornstarch. It's commonly used to keep the skin dry, reduce friction, and prevent rashes. Baby powder is widely used on babies to keep their skin dry, especially in diaper areas, to prevent diaper rash and chafing. However, it's also found applications for adults in various ways, such as reducing friction on sweaty or chapped skin, or as a dry shampoo alternative. For a safer alternative, opt for cornstarch-based baby powder instead of talcum-based ones, as it reduces potential inhalation risks. Baby powder has been found to have insect repellent alternatives, which can help keep certain insects away. One popular application is its use as a natural pest control method against ants, fleas, and silverfish. Does baby powder work against bedbugs? Baby powder, especially talcum-based, has been suggested as a home remedy to repel or kill bedbugs due to its desiccating properties. The idea is that the fine particles in the powder can dehydrate and suffocate the bedbugs, making it harder for them to move or survive. Baby powder has the potential to kill certain bedbugs by dehydrating them, and they act as a protective barrier to limit their movement in specific areas. However, relying solely on baby powder is insufficient to eradicate an infestation. For effective results, it's essential to complement baby powder usage with other methods, such as vacuuming, steam cleaning, and encasing your bed. Combining these approaches offers a more comprehensive and successful strategy to fight bedbug infestations. Have you given baby powder for bedbugs a try? If so, we'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section and I'll be sure to read and respond to them. Cayenne pepper is another increasingly popular home remedy for eliminating bedbugs. Its widespread appeal lies in its affordability and easy accessibility to everyone. To learn more, be sure to check out our video on using cayenne pepper for bedbugs that I will link in the description and in the video below. How to use baby powder for bedbugs. In order to use baby powder, this involves applying it strategically in areas where bedbugs are likely to move or hide. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use this. Step 1. Identify infested areas. Inspect your bed, mattress seams, box springs, bed frame, and surrounding areas for signs of bedbug activity, such as fecal spots, shed skin, or live bedbugs. Step 2. Clean the area. Thoroughly clean and vacuum the infested areas to remove any visible bedbugs, eggs, or debris. Dispose of the vacuum bag in a sealed plastic bag to prevent any potential escape. Step 3. Apply the baby powder. Once the area is cleaned and dry, lightly sprinkle baby powder around the bed legs, mattress seams, and any cracks and crevices where bedbugs might be hiding or entering. Ensure to apply it in a fine layer, covering potential harborage sites. Step 4. Repeat application. Reapply the baby powder every few days or as needed, especially after cleaning, or if you notice new bedbug activity. Do keep in mind that baby powder does lose its effectiveness over time, so periodic reapplication is absolutely essential. Step 6. Use other pest control methods. Baby powder is not a standalone solution for bedbug infestations, so combining its use with other effective control methods like vacuuming, steam cleaning, and encasing your mattress and box spring is absolutely essential and will be necessary. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable bedbug solution and you have baby powder at home, why not give it a try? Borax has also become a popular home remedy for combating bedbugs. And if you're intrigued by this effective and natural DIY solution, we invite you to explore our dedicated video on borax and bedbugs. Thank you for joining us today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY pest control tips and tricks. For affordable and natural DIY solutions against bedbugs, visit our website, CiaoBedBugs.com. Best of luck in your battle against bedbugs, bedbug fam. See you soon.